Today we are going to learn about divisions. We have already learned about basic divisions in our previous video, right? If you haven't watched that video, then please do watch it, as it will help you to learn all basic concepts of division better. The link is given in the description box below. Okay? Come on. See, our sum is 79 divided by 2. So, how we will going to write that? 79 divide by 2. 79 is the dividend in this sum and 2 is the divisor. 79 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. Okay. See, this is the sign of division. But we have to arrange like this. 79 divided by 2. That means you have to divide 79 by 2. Okay. See, always remember kids that you have to observe the leftmost digit of the dividend. Which is the leftmost digit of this dividend? That is 7. See, 7 is greater than our divisor, means 2. 2 is divisor. 7 is greater than 2, means 7 is greater than divisor. So, we can divide 7 by 2. Okay. For this, we have to recite the table of 2. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Now, you have to find the number which is less than 7 in the table of 2. You have to find a number which is less than 7 and nearest to 7. Then what is that number? See, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. 8 is greater than 7. So we cannot subtract that 8 from 7. Then which is that number which is less than 7 and nearest to 7? That is 6. That means 2 threes are 6. That means here we write 3 and here 2 threes are 6. Now deduct this 6 from 7. So 7 minus 6, remainder is 1. Now take down this 9 beside to the 1. Now it becomes 19. Then again observe the leftmost digit of 19. That is 1. Now 1 is less than divisor. That means 1 is smaller than 2. So we cannot divide that individual 1. Okay. Then what to do now? Now take whole 19 as a divisor. Sorry, as a dividend. Okay. That means you have to divide that 19 by 2. Now, are we getting 19 in the table of 2? No. Then find such a number which is less than 19 and nearest to the 19. What is that number? That is 18. 2 nines are 18. Then how we will write it? See, 2 nines are 18. Subtract that 18 from 19. 19 minus 18, our remainder is 1. See, this is our quotient and this is our remainder. What is the formula of division? See, division is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Then what is our divisor? Our divisor is 2. What is our quotient? Our quotient is 39. And what is our remainder? Remainder is 1. See, we will check our answer. 9 2s are 18. 1 in mind. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 multiplied by 39 is equal to 78 plus this 1, our remainder. Final answer is 79, which is our dividend. That means our answer is right. Okay. Our second sum is 53 divided by 2. How we will write it? See, 53 divided by 2. 53 is our dividend, 2 is our divisor. Okay. Now, as I told you, observe leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 5 in this sum. So, 5 is greater than 2. That means we can divide that 5 individually. Okay. So, are we getting 5 in the table of 2? No. There is no 5 in the table of 2. Then what to do now? Now we have to find such a number which is less than 5 and nearest to 5. Then what is that number? That is 4. 2 2s are 4. So now 2, here we write 2, 2 2s are 4. Now subtract that 4 from 5. 5 minus 4, remainder is 1. Now take down that 3 beside to 1. Now 30 is our new dividend in that sum. So now observe leftmost digit of the sum means that dividend, that is 1. But 1 is less than our divisor. Then what to do? Then at such a situation, take whole 13 as a dividend. That means you have to divide that 13 by 2. Are we getting 13 in the table of 2? 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 and 2 7s are 14. We cannot get 13 in the table of 2. Then what to do? Then find such a number which is less than 13 and nearest to 13. What is that number? That is 12. 2 6 are 12. Here we write 6 and subtract 12 from 13. 13 minus 12, remainder is 1. See, 53 divided by 2. What is our answer? 26. What is 26? 26 is our quotient and 1 is our remainder. 23 is our quotient. Okay. Now let's do third sum. That is 83 divided by 3. Our third sum is 83 divided by 3. 83 is dividend, 3 is divisor. Okay. We write it first. Kids, here we write our dividend and here is divisor. See, leftmost digit of the dividend is 8. 8 is greater than 3. So we can divide that 8 first. Okay. See, are we getting 8 in the table of 3? No. Then find such a number which is less than 8 and nearest to 8. What is that number? That is 6. 3 2s are 6 because 3 3s are 9. 9 is greater than 8 and we cannot subtract 9 from 8. So we have to take 3 2s are 6. Okay. Here we write 2. 3 2s are 6. Subtract 6 from 8. 8 minus 6, our remainder is 2. Okay. Then take down this 3 beside 2. 2. Now our new dividend is 23. Are we getting 23 in the table of 3? No. We cannot get 23 in the table of 3. Then find such a number which is less than 23 and near What is that number? This is 21. 3 sevens are 21. Here we write 7 and subtract 21 from 23. Our remainder is 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Means our remainder is 2. See, 83 divided by 3. Our quotient is 26. Sorry, 27. And our remainder is 2. Our fourth sum is 97 divided by 4. See, 97 is our dividend, 4 is our divisor. How we write it? See, 97 divided by 4. As I told you, observe first leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 9 in this sum. 9 is greater than 4. So, we can divide 9 individually by 4. Okay. So, are we getting 9 in the table of 4? No. There is no 9 in the table of 4. Then what to do? Now, we have to find such a number which is less than 9 and nearest to 9. Which is that number? That is 8. 4 2s are 8. Here we write 2. 4 2s are 8. Subtract that 8 from 9. 9 minus 8, our remainder is 1. Now take down that 7 beside to 1. Now it will become 17. Are we getting 17 in the table of 4? No. See, observe first left first digit of dividend, that is 17, that is 1. 1 is smaller than 4. So take 17, whole number 17 as a dividend. Then check out, are we getting 17 in the table of 4? No. There is no 17 in the table of 4. Then what is our next step? Next step is find such a number which is less than 17 and nearest to 17. Which is that number in the table of 4? That is 16. 4 4s are 16. Here we write 4. 4 4s are 16. Subtract that 16 from 17. 17 minus 16, our remainder is 1. That means, what is our answer of 97 divided by 4? Our answer is 24. That is our quotient. And 1 is our remainder.